Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Rakhi Tegi. Our teacher presentation topic: Copyright Protections in Digital Revolution. Copyright meaning. Copyright is a limited period legal right given to an author, composer, designer, singer, etc. to print, publish and sell copies of his original work, be a book, painting, lyrics or a song. Copyright origin. Copyright was born with the birth of Gutenberg printing press. 1440s British copyright system, 1886 Berne Copyright Convention and 1909 Musical and Visual Works, Indian Copyright Act 1957. जो इंडिया में कॉपीराइट आया था वो कब आया था? 1957. Why copyright? Intellectual creation needs mind, talent, needs money, needs labor, needs time, needs resources. Honor rights: right to reproduce copies, right to distribute copies, right to display a copy publicly, right to perform a copy publicly, right to create a derivative work, right to sell these rights others. Digital revolutions: IT development, photocopy machines, computers, networks, repositories, user network, file sharing tools, emails, electronic transmissions, file sharing system, social networking sites. Threats for copyrights: all are easily possible. Duplication, productions, reproductions, distributions, pirated editions. बहुत ही ईजी से हम ये चीज़ें देख सकते हैं, उन चीज़ों को हम पकड़ सकते हैं. Impacts of copyright owners: loss of intellectual energy, loss of resources, loss of time, loss of economy. Impacts on literary and artistic works. न्यू डेवलपमेंट्स में क्या हुआ? इन 1967 WIPO वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज क्रिएटेड. कॉपीराइट टर्म एक्सटेंड 11 times in last 14 years. In 1996 copyright extended it to digital products. WIPO copyright treaty, WCT. WIPO performance and phonograms treaty, WPPT. WIPO copyright treaty, WCT. WIPO performance and phonograms treaty. The WIPO performances and phonograms treaty deals with the rights of two kinds of beneficiaries, particularly in the digital environment, performance, etc. Legal solutions: copyright laws in all countries, effective implementation of copyright laws, quick decision on copyright, technology monitoring, awareness program. Solutions and suggestions: respect intellectuals, creators, give credit to their creations, say yes to fair use, say no to illegal use. Thank you so much.